Dragon Studio here. I have been very busy during the week. I have just finished painting this little plaster of Paris cat that's sort of like in a lying down position. This I have done for my head teacher, who is retiring in June before they break up for the summer holidays. 26 years she has been working at my high school. Now, I left in 2004 of the high school and went on to college for a year and a half. But I've kept in touch with my high school teacher, so I'll wrap that up. There is a plane going over. Why do you always have to come over when I'm filming? And there's a noisy starling. The starling has been pretty noisy. Very noisy. As you can see, I have two 3D printed dragons. This one is in gold, and I've just added colour to it, so it's not just plain. So it is a fully articulated 3D printed dragon. I will leave the link in the description for you to get your hands on these 3D printed dragons. I also have a white one which is slightly bigger than me gold, so he's going to have colour added to him. Yes, his whiskers come off. I am going to have to super glue his whiskers on, so I'll just take that one off so for now. So he is slightly bigger, so he is going to have some colour added to him as well. I've also been drawing again. This is a new Animal Crossing character that I've done. His name's Gadget and he's a hedgehog. As you can also see, I have this Funko Pop Dumbo, limited edition Dumbo, and it is a DIY Funko Pop, so you can paint it any way you like. So on the back here you can see there's Dumbo, Bo Peep and Simba. I have got Simba on the way, but he is not, has just been dispatched and won't be here until next weekish. So yeah, let's open this up. As you can see, he is completely white and he's got a hole in his bum. This is how they must have like casted him. So he is like sort of got a weird texture to him, but he is basically white all over, so he's ready to be painted any way you like. You can paint him like he is on the show, or you can paint him multicoloured. It doesn't matter, it's your Funko Pop, it's your DIY. You can custom paint him any way you want. I don't know what colours I'm going to paint him. I might just paint him as he is in the show, or I might just paint him wacky colours. But yeah, that is Dumbo. Until next time, fuzzies. Bye.